Today we'll be making a proper kombucha. What you need is a black tea base. In this case, I'm using a Orange Pekoe. I learned to pronounce the second word as my base. And as my flavor agent, I'm using licorice spice. I'm using about 5 tea bags of this one. And 3 of this flavor. Put your tea bags in your water and bring it up to a boil. I forgot to mention, but for the water, you'll probably need 2 cups for your tea right now. Add in at least a half a cup of sugar. I'm just using your normal table sugar right into your pot. No, not that 420 pot. As soon as your pot has boiled, take it off of the burner and let it cool. You will want your tea bags to be remaining in the pot for at least 10 to 15 minutes to really extract a lot of the flavors, as you want the tea base to be a potent tea. If your tea is still too hot, you can put some ice cubes in it. Because that's after this point, when you put your ice cubes in your tea, take out your tea bags and preferably in a measuring cup, and put more water in the measuring cup. I would say at least 4 cups. This is due to you want to have your water that you add into your jug to be a little bit more steep than your tap water. So it would help your Scoby actually do a better job being a fungus than just your average tap water. After you let your water and your tea bags and your measuring cup sit for a few minutes, I would pour it in your jug, as well as what you have steeped in your pot, in. And depending on how much you want to make, I would do another measuring cup full of water with your tea bags. I would throw another cup of sugar in. I would give it a stir. Before I would add the Scoby. Don't be scared if it would sink at first, as that would be perfectly a-okay. But as soon as you put the package in with the starter fluid and the Scoby, you pretty much have to wait for like 5 to 7 days before you would have to drink it. After you did your Scoby, you would cover up with like a cloth that you can actually let the entire kombucha breathe through.